hiking galore. So today is Central Day, pero kasi-check muna kami ng bus going to the airport, at least sure kami sa pag-uwi namin kung saan. And then later magdi-Victoria, ano din kami, I know, not Victoria, King's Tram pala, and then Sky Terrace. Yun lang, wala naman masyadong itinerary today. Okay, na-check na namin yung bus. Yung ano kasi namin, Airbnb, across lang yung bus. Nasasakyan papunta ng airport. And then ngayon papunta kami ng Langham Place to check Onitsuka, kasi yung cousin ko nagpapacheck ng shoes. Tingnan natin kung may available na style na gusto niya. Sa ano kasi sa Sneaker Street, walang Onitsuka, parang almost lahat lang Nike, Adidas, Puma, Skechers, and other brands. New Balance pa pala. Pero wala akong nakitang Onitsuka. So nag-search ako sa Google, meron sa Langham Place and other mall. So pretty. The pastry. Here's the Onitsuka Tiger. So funny because itong mall pa lang na to, medyo pagod na ako. Ang laki pala! And ngayon, nag-order lang kami ng bubble tea. And tingnan nyo yung harap namin, Jollibee. The Dirty Purple Mochi from Bobolabo. Bobolabo. Yeah. Sarap. So I got pork floss, and then matcha mochi cheese tart, and then one pistachio cheese tart. So we're back here at K1 Cafe. It's our third time here. Now we're having their soy garlic or only soy chicken, and the char siu. We also tried their toast. Happy na siya kasi may coffee na siya. Ayan. Spanish latte. Parehas kami Spanish latte yung order. Ayan na. Coffee stop lang muna kami before we continue walking kasi sobrang init talaga. As in, kailangan magpalamig muna. Not ready for this kind of walks, but very steep, pero scary. Hindi kita sa camera masyado, pero in actual eyesight, very steep siya. So we're looking for bakehouse. Kung mga tao, hindi kami bibili. So, yeah, now we're walking to the peak tram. Gabi na, inabot kami ng gabi. Pero I think mas maganda kasi makikita mo yung city lights ng Hong Kong. Dito kami sa area pa rin ng Central. Naglalakad-lakad. Yeah, stop over muna kami, Diyos ko. 1.6 kilometers away from dun sa pinanggalingan namin. Who needs gym when you're walking like more than 10,000 steps a day, right? Iba pati yung pawis ko dito compared sa atin. Malala, hindi ako pinapawis ng ganito. Nasa bamboo forest kami. Tama naman yung direction ni Google, pero nag-ano lang kami, stop over just to rest. Nagtanong din ako sa isang mama na dumaan kanina, tapos tinuro niya tama naman. So, yeah. You arrived at your destination. Yeah, we arrived at 7:45. 7:45. Night ride at the peak tram. What can you say about our walk? Very, very sweaty. My gosh. Dapat naka-athleisure outfit pala kami today. Hindi man lang nag-search kasi.
Japanese.
And we're back at Mongkok area. We're just buying a milk tea and water. And then uwi na kami sa Airbnb namin. That's it. Let's call it a day. Ay, mochi din. Pista.